Hello, everyone. Robert Brown here with Integrity Enterprises, and I'll be your guide on this construction tour. Get ready for an exciting journey around the world as we explore the basics of construction. We'll start with a picturesque drive along Highway number 1 on the West Coast, stopping at some beautiful beaches along the way. Prepare to fill your minds with valuable knowledge, as the first lesson we'll cover will be the essential concept of the front-end documents. All right, everyone, we've reached our first stop. Grab your notebooks and let's dive in. First, let's define the three main categories of projects. 1. Public works. 2. Private. 3. Federal. Public works projects are government-funded initiatives that serve the public. Examples include roads, bridges, railways, dams, water treatment plants, schools, hospitals, libraries, parks, and recreation facilities. These projects improve public services, infrastructure, and overall quality of life. Federal projects are government-funded initiatives aimed at enhancing national infrastructure. Examples include military bases, interstate highways, federal aviation, affordable housing, and social service buildings. These projects boost security, economic growth, and public health. Private projects are initiatives funded by individuals or companies to generate profit or achieve specific goals. Examples include office buildings, shopping centers, hotels, housing complexes, condos, luxury homes, factories, warehouses, amusement parks, and sports arenas. These projects aim to boost business operations and meet private sector needs. Now for the main course. Front-end documents in construction are essential documents that form the basis of the contractual and operational framework for a construction project. They provide detailed information on project scope, terms, and requirements before the actual construction work begins. Items include, but are not limited to, an invitation to bid, otherwise known as the ITB, a document inviting contractors to submit a bid for a project, outlining the basic requirements and timelines. There's instruction to bidders. This is detailed guidelines and procedures for preparing and submitting your bids, including deadlines and evaluation criteria. There's a bid form, a standardized form that contractors must complete and submit as their formal bid, including pricing and other required information. There's a contract agreement, the formal contract between the owner and the contractor, specifying the terms and conditions of the project. There's general conditions, standard clauses outlining the responsibilities, rights, and obligations of all parties involved in the project. Supplementary conditions. These are additional project conditions that are modified or add to the general conditions. There's specifications. These are detailed descriptions of the materials, workmanship, and standards required for the project. There's drawings and plans, architectural and engineering drawings, structural drawings, mechanical drawings that all provide detail and visual representation of the project. Scopes of work, detailed descriptions of the work to be performed, including tasks, deliverables, and timelines. Addenda. These are any additional modifications or additions to the bid documents issued before the bid opening. There's performance and payment bonds. These bonds are issued by surety companies and provide financial protection to the owner in case the contractor fails to complete the project or pay subcontractors or any suppliers. These documents collectively ensure clarity, consistency, and legal protection for all parties involved in a construction project. Now, for some key takeaways. Invitation to bid, ITB, invites contractors to submit bids outlining basic project requirements. Instruction to bidders provides guidelines for bid preparation and submission. Bid form, standard form for contractors to submit their formal bid, including pricing. Contractor agreement, formal contract specifying project terms and conditions. General conditions, outlines responsibilities, rights, and obligations of all parties. Supplementary conditions, project specifics, modifying the general conditions. Specifications, detailed descriptions of required materials and standards. Drawings and plans, visual representations of the project from the architects and engineers. Scope of work, detailed descriptions of tasks, deliverables, and timelines. Addenda, modifications or additions to bid documents issued before the bid opening. Performance and payment bonds, financial protection ensuring project completion and payment of all subcontractors and suppliers. These documents ensure clarity, consistency, and legal protection from all those that are involved in the construction project. These are key takeaways to keep in your bag as we continue to move on in our journey. Rest up, because the next stop will dive deeper into understanding the front-end documents and spend more time exploring the specifications.